Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another episode here on Girlfriend Unwrapped Travel. Today we are in CocoCay. I love CocoCay. CocoCay is one of my favorite places to be, and I'm so excited to be back here. It is kind of cool, because it's hurricane season, but for the most part, I think the weather is gorgeous. So let's get out and take a look at CocoCay. Alright, so I want to give you guys an idea of just how windy it is. My eyes are tearing, my hair is blowing, but it's so sunny. The weather is perfect, y'all. Get a jacket, bring a sweater, whatever you got to do, but I think you'll enjoy it this time of year.